Hi, we're going to do a little bit of abdominal preparation, abdominal work, Pilates ab prep with a squishy ball. It's not fully inflated, and I'm going to put the ball between the shoulders. It's quite important that you get this ball in the right place. If it's too low into the lower back, it's really uncomfortable. If it's too high, it's not going to give you the support. So it needs to be between the shoulders. And when I'm here, I can feel the bottom of my ribs, and I can feel between the shoulders. Hands are going to go behind your head. I want you to be aware that you're not lifting your tail. You're keeping your tailbone down. You're keeping that length through the front of the body. You're not scrunching up into the hips here. We're going to support the head. Elbows are slightly forward. Head nice and heavy, chin down. And then we're going to extend back. Now it depends on your flexibility. If that feels okay for you, you can go a little further back. Start from an extended position. And then you're going to fold from the front of your ribs, the front of the ribs as if somebody sat on your ribs. You're going to pull those down, and that's going to squish the air out of the back of the ball and put it into the top part of the ball, which is going to help you lift. Breathe in as you come down, breathe out as you come up. Okay, so we can keep going with that. Then we could add a little lift. As you lift the leg, bring the body up even higher. Lower, lift. Make sure that you don't tuck under here. And we want to keep that length here so that we're not shortening, crunching. Keep everything moving away, lengthened. Then we're going to do a little oblique twist. So one elbow coming forward, other elbow going back, and I'm coming up and forward and lowering back down. You might notice that you're a little tighter on one side, or it's harder work. I'm going towards my knee. You don't have to touch the knee, it just depends on how long your arms are and how much you can come up. But I'm starting to really feel the work in those oblique muscles going across. Last one. Then you can extend over the ball if that feels okay, or you could put a pillow behind your head here. Open the arms out and have a little stretch across the pecs. It's really nice, a nice extended position over the ball. And that is your oblique ab prep with the ball, with the help of the ball. Hope that made sense.